Hey folks, welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. Hey, this is the new raised bed planter I got off of Amazon, and I'm very impressed with it. Thought I'd share it with you. Now this is a galvanized metal, so it's not going to rot, it's not going to rust. It went together fairly easily. It's just a matter of putting in the bolts and screws, but there are a lot of bolts and screws to put in here, so it took me probably about an hour in order to put this together. They do include all of the connectors, the bolts and screws, and they even include some extras in case you lose any. They do include the wrench, the screwdriver, and they include a set of gloves which you should wear because some of the edges are kind of sharp. They also include a rubber gasket that goes on top as an edging, makes it look really nice. Once it's put together, this is the 4-foot by 8-foot size. They also have other sizes. They also have them in different colors. So you got a choice of what you want to do with them. I think they're really nice, and this is well made. Because it is galvanized metal, it's not going to rot, it's not going to rust. It should last you a lifetime. And I'm getting ready to fill mine up now with soil, and I'll show you what that looks like. And before that, I'm going to lay down cardboard in the bottom of this. That's just to suppress the weeds, so the weeds don't come up underneath it. You just want to kind of put it on you want to put it on kind of a level, you want to put it where it's kind of level. And you may need to build up around some of the edges with soil to make sure that it's filled in. But other than that, I think it's going to work out really well. So we'll see how this looks here in a minute. Okay, so I just layered in some cardboard boxes. Good use for your old Amazon boxes. And I'm just going to wet this down a little bit. And the cardboard will help suppress the weeds and also keeps the soil from moving out from underneath the edge. So it's a good idea to put that in there.
Follow your heart wherever it may lead. Follow your heart, set yourself free. A door may now be closed, a window it is open. Take a chance and jump, go see what life is holding.
Okay, so some of you are probably wondering how many bags of soil and compost to get to fill this up. This took 8 1.5 cubic foot bags to fill it up within 3 inches of the top. That's about where I will leave it, because when I put in plants, I generally will add a couple more bags of top material, and each year I usually add 1 or 2 more bags to this because it will settle over time. So 3 inches from the top is about where I'm going to leave this. All right, so that's how much soil it's going to take.
Wherever it may lead, follow your heart, set yourself free, and set yourself free. Yeah, set yourself free. Ah, yeah, oh, ah, yeah, oh, ah, yeah, oh, ah, yeah.
Okay, so I've got the first plants that I've had in pots, and I've transplanted them over to this raised garden bed. This is a tiger lily, and those are 2 African lilies. The lilies are a perennial. They will come back every year. They do really well in my zone 5, and they're very hardy plants. They also have beautiful, you can see beautiful luscious green foliage on them, and they've already got flower buds on them, so probably in the next couple of weeks I should start getting, they'll put on these long, big, long lily flowers that I just absolutely love. And then I'm going to fill around all of the edges with other perennials, and I might even add some strawberry plants in here. You can mix vegetables and flowers if you want to in the same beds, and they look really nice. And you can come out and pick some fruit and enjoy your vegetables or fruit or whatever it is that you want off of your plants. So again, I've got some lilies, and I kind of balance them out, and then I'm going to go around the edges with some nice perennials, but I'm going to take my time picking out what I think will look good. All right, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go get yourself a raised garden bed. Start yourself a small garden, whether it's flowers, plants, vegetables, put them all together if you want to. Get your hands dirty and enjoy gardening. All right, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.